The last defaults feature we want to show you in setting up the program is the appointment defaults. Now, this is a few more steps to take, so this video may last a little bit longer than normal. But the first thing you want to do is go into the welcome your name, and then under my profile, you'll want to enter down here where it says upload image, company admin photo. That's going to be the picture that the customer is going to see whenever they receive an email from you after having set the appointment. If this particular admin wants to receive a copy of all emails, they'll click here and they'll get all the emails from the use of the program. Okay, so we're going to click appointment defaults, and it's going to take us to this right here. These are our appointment defaults. This first section is basically the thank you message from the owner of the company, the sales manager, whoever it is, was tied to the admin photo, so that the day of the setting of the appointment, the customer gets the first touch, actually the second touch. The first one was the phone call. The second one is now the setting up of the call itself. So you can have it say whatever you want it to say, and it's signed by you. And then the second area is when the call is completed, they're going to get a thank you message after having completed the call. The next area is service values and appointment types. So like you're going to want to name whatever kind of a departments you have within your company: replacement, service, maintenance, home performance. Saw somebody last week had spray foam. And then underneath as a subheading, we'll have what types of appointments they want to attach to those. So you might have class training for replacement, or service training for the home performance department. When you block someone out, there's a subcategory for the department itself. And again, you can add as many as you want, and then certainly take them away with the Xbox. Okay, you can add logos to your service text by adding them here. You can add more logos. You simply just come in and call it what it is, type it in, and it will save here as to what that particular logo is. Open it up. Now there are more logos loaded on the help page. You can go to the help page and you'll see we've added little snippet logos here, technician certification images, and that's on the help page under the welcome page. All right, so let's go back to the My Profile and go back to service ticket defaults, and let's complete this section here. I'm sorry, not service ticket defaults, but appointment defaults. The last area is we have 4 questions, and you'll see they're the ones that are not highlighted. They basically say, did our representative explain in a clear way any issues, concerns, and or recommended solution? This speaks to the knowledge of the technician. Were they timely? Did they dress in a manner that seemed professional to you? And then would you recommend them to a friend or a neighbor? These 4 questions will go out when the technician completes the job, if you have them to allow them to receive the survey. Now, you can add more questions. We won't track those questions. We're only tracking these 4 questions because we have a database of the country, across the country, of these 4 questions. So once you're done, you click Save. And what will happen is when the technician actually does perform an appointment, when you go to the dashboard, and if they complete the survey, you'll notice on the dashboard at the bottom, there will be a place for them to be scored by technician based on based on the question that was asked. Okay, so this is the final default setup for a company when you get your program. This is the last step before you can begin using the program. Hopefully this answers any questions you have. You're always welcome to call our office at 904-260-2622.